so I don't mess things up?
Yeah.
How am I doing?
Looks very professional.
It's my fault. I'll take the blame for that one. Hello and welcome to another episode of Tony Learns Cooking. My name is Tony, but I don't know how to cook, but I do know someone who does. This is Hope, and he specializes in traditional northern Chinese dishes. Today, we have a very special dish for you. It's called stir-fried beef with mushrooms. First step, we're going to boil some water, and we're gonna put the mushrooms in.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I washed it.
Slice it. And we're gonna put 2 pieces of pepper for looks more colorful.
Okay, so that's just a bonus,
No, it's like garnish.
a garnish.
Okay, good enough. Put it back.
Okay. We're gonna cut the peppers.
Yeah, peppers and garlic. Cut it half to the pieces, like square.
So roughly same sizes so that they all cook
Yeah,
evenly,
we
right?
want it all even. Cut this.
Yeah. To make it look nice.
It's good enough.
This is good enough?
We're gonna marinate the beef. So we're gonna put soy sauce. A little bit. Cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
A little bit. Make it really tender. Stir it.
Not with my hand. Is this good?
Stir it.
Not with my hand.
Chopstick.
Oh, thank God.
Now the water is boiling, so we put our black mushroom first.
Okay.
Wait it boil again, we take it out, and then we put our mushroom.
Yeah.
The last step, we put our pepper.
Do I have to be really careful here, like, so I don't mess things up? or-
Yeah. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Why did you make that noise? Did we put a little bit too much?
Yeah, a little bit.
Just a little bit too much. I like the sound you made.
Oh, yeah. A little bit salt.
Okay.
A little bit.
So I just hear the water boiling. Are we actually...
A little bit.
What is this?
Sesame oil.
Are we okay for the boiling?
Yep. And we are going to take it out.
Okay, let me help you take it out.
When it looks like very fluffy and very soft, it's ready.
And now we're gonna...
Put the mushroom.
And now we're gonna put the mushrooms in.
And the last step, I'm gonna put the peppers.
Okay. This is good, right? So I
Yeah,
think this
yeah.
looks good.
It's good. Just
Okay, so now we're going on to cooking.
yeah.
We're done prep. All right, so now we're back and we're gonna get down to cooking this dish. What do you think we're gonna need to do? First step.
Heat.
I'm gonna turn on the heat. You didn't even have to look. That's a pro right there.
Wow, good enough. Yeah, turn on the flame. Got the smoking coming out.
Oh, this is already ready. Can I put this in now? This is gonna burn.
Yeah. Put it in.
This?
Yeah. Hurry up. Stir fry.
I'm stir frying.
Stir fry, funny boy. Stir hard.
How am I doing?
Good. Looks very professional. Yeah. Here we go.
Oh, I love this smell. It's really good.
I know, right? Here's your mushroom. You know what now? We put some oyster sauce.
Can you explain to me what's the purpose of the oyster sauce?
Flavor.
Flavor. How much do we put in?
A little bit more. Okay. Stir. Very professional. Soy sauce. A little bit. Here we go. Put some flavor, add some flavor and the color. Salt. What? Now, mushroom in.
It's my fault. I'll take the blame for that one. I take the blame for everything.
We'll add a little bit more light sauce. Put a
Okay,
little bit more flavor and the color.
so that's a light soy sauce.
Yeah, but it looks like too light. We want it looks like more dark.
Try it. Is it cooked through or not?
What if it isn't cooked through? I'm gonna get
Beef
salmonella.
is okay.
Okay.
Medium rare, your favorite.
Right, that's true.
How about tasty? Salty? More flavor? More sauce?
Maybe you should try it because I really don't know. I can't get
You
this
don't,
out.
you don't want to let me try, right?
Why?
Because it's already 1 minute. You didn't even get the one piece of beef.
I know. I'm sure.
Yeah, it's done. Not medium rare, man. It's well done.
This is well done. Yeah. So we're good.
Yeah.
Turn it off.
Yeah. Ready to go.
Hello and welcome back. So we just finished cooking. I'm very excited to taste this. We kind of cheated a little bit. We did taste this while we were cooking to see what it tastes like.
Yeah.
But we kind of have a feeling. So what are your thoughts before we taste? What do you expect?
What I saw here is like the meat is a little bit over lean for these dishes.
Okay.
If it's more fat, it will be more tasty and not that, not that
Tough.
chewy.
Yeah.
It will
Tough.
be more like tender.
Yeah.
Otherwise, everything looks perfect.
Let's see what it tastes like.
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna go with the black mushroom first because I want to try that.
I want to try the mushroom. For me, like I will prefer a little bit more strong taste, like
Yeah.
a little bit more salt.
Yeah. But overall, I'm very happy how this dish turned out.
Me too.
Okay. That concludes our episode. Please consider supporting us by subscribing to our channel, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.